back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to use filters in Excel to quickly sort and view only the data you need. So let's get started. So firstly go to start menu, you will type Excel, then open Excel. I will now select your data like this, then go to sort and filters. Here you will click on filters. Now filter by date, like you can choose, click on February, then OK. Here you will see the February data. Click on select all. Then filter by name, click on name, then move all, select A. Then here you will see the data. Again select all. You can simply view like this all, or simply click on London, then only London will be appear. If you want to clear filter from a single column or drop down, click clear filter, like select this, go to again filters, here you will select clear. And that's how you can use filters in Excel to quickly manage and organize your data. If this video helped you, hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe for more Excel tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.